Welcome to Easy English Discovery.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is John.
My name is John.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
I'm good, thank you.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
I'm from Canada.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
What's this?
What's this?
It's a book.
It's a book.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
I'm 20 years old.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
Yes, a little.
Do you want some water?
Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Sure, what do you need?
Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
It's down the hall to the right.
It's down the hall to the right.
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
No, it's free.
What day is it today?
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
It's Monday.
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July the 22nd.
My birthday is on July 22nd.
Do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Yes, I love coffee.
Can I use your phone?
Can I use your phone?
Sorry, my phone is dead.
Sorry, my phone is dead.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live in Helsinki.
I live in Helsinki.
What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
It's sunny.
What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue.
Can you drive a car?
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I have a driver's license.
Yes, I have a driver's license.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
I'm reading a book.
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your job?
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
Do you have any pets?
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have pets.
No, I don't have pets.
What's your hobby?
What's your hobby?
I like painting.
I like painting.
Are you married?
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
Do you have children?
No, I don't have children.
No, I don't have children.
Can you swim?
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Yes, I can swim.
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
It's 123,456,7,890.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Where did you go?
Where did you go?
I went to the store.
I went to the store.
What did you buy?
What did you buy?
I bought some bread and milk.
I bought some bread and milk.
Why are you late?
Why are you late?
There was a lot of traffic.
There was a lot of traffic.
Who is your best friend?
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Maria.
My best friend is Maria.
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you play any sports?
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis.
Yes, I play tennis.
What's the date today?
What's the date today?
It's May the 17th.
It's May 17th.
What's your favorite movie?
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Matrix.
My favorite movie is The Matrix.
Do you have a computer?
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a laptop.
Yes, I have a laptop.
Where's the nearest bank?
Where's the nearest bank?
The nearest bank is 2 blocks away.
The nearest bank is 2 blocks away.
Can you cook?
Can you cook?
Yes, I'm a pretty good cook.
Yes, I'm a pretty good cook.
What languages do you speak?
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
I speak English and Spanish.
Have you been to the USA?
Have you been to the USA?
Yes, I visited New York last year.
Yes, I visited New York last year.
What's your favorite book?
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is 1984 by George Orwell.
My favorite book is 1984 by George Orwell.
Do you watch TV?
Do you watch TV?
Not often. I prefer reading.
Not often. I prefer reading.
What music do you like?
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
I like pop music.
Are you going to the party?
Are you going to the party?
Yes, I'll be there.
Yes, I'll be there.
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Cost $10.
It costs $10.
Can you give me a discount?
Can you give me a discount?
Sorry, that's the final price.
Sorry, that's the final price.
Will you call me?
Will you call me?
Yes, I'll call you later.
Yes, I'll call you later.